So my game has a major problem. My character is way too nice for a world falling apart. So we gotta fix that, and I've got an idea. At the moment, my character has very simple controls. Movement, dash, jumping, and throwing orbs. So when playing the game, sometimes it feels a little too simple, which is a problem. We want something exciting that the character can do. We gotta give Atlas a skill that allows him to take foes of all sizes and restore the kingdom of LUMI. So before I review the new skill that I added to the game, I would like to point out that for whatever reason, I made his arms way too short to take that into consideration. Anyways, enough delay, here's the new skill. Kick! As you can see, Atlas can now kick, which allows for a series of interesting interactions, and this made the game so much more fun to play. So the basic skill is kick, which is a simple attack. Also, when Atlas kick, it jumps a little off the ground. Now, the kick by itself is fine, but when we start to combine the kick with other abilities is when things start to get interesting. So what if we kick and then dash? How about we jump and kick down? And what if we simply want to hold airtime for a little longer? Okay, so what if we kick a wall? And what if we face a wall that is way too high to jump and there is no other wall to jump from? As you can see, there's a lot more to the character now, which is awesome, and I can't wait to give this to playtesters and see their feedback. And by the way, if you want to playtest this game, join our Discord server, we host all the events in there. Also, I know it's kind of obvious, but I forgot to mention that the kick deals damage to the enemies, that was the whole point. And Atlas gets a little knockback from that. With this new skill, I feel like the combat is much more interesting now. Before, all we had was a projectile to shoot, which was fine, but became boring super fast. With this new mechanic, the combat is much more interesting, I think. So, what do you guys think? If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. Alright everyone, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.